It's coming in now, mate.
Yeah, we'll just move up with it right on our ass. Hopefully, like obviously not burning us, but like to the point where we know no one snuck in behind us. Right, you tell us where we should need to be inside the...
We just need to head down the hill a bit, mate.
Okay, go. Trees. Grab the trees.
We're in.
Yep. This big tree here.
I'm just heading down here.
Right, see, look at that. We've got the blot at our back again. Beautiful. Oh! Getting around. West.
Where from? Where from?
West, I think. Oh, I'm down. Fuck it! You know what they did? They came up behind us. Fuck it.
Sorry, man. I'm stealing your 5.6.
No, go for it. Go for it. Is that where it's coming from? The northeast?
I think so.
I thought it came from up the hill, but anyway. Yep, there he is! Finish him off, Snake.
He's dead.
Good man. That's the prick who got me. See how he followed the blot in, the fucker? Or he followed it down the hill. So, nice shooting.
You guys in yet?
12 o'clock. Yep, you got him.
When you get out, you have to do your update. It's 3 gig. I'll catch you later.
Okay, Bunch, so we're mate. Snake's got us to the final 8.
Alright, I'll stay with you guys. We got 7.
Get down, Snake, get down. Oh, fuck!
Shit.
It's not much, it's not much. Oh, nice work. Stim up, stim up. Okay, tree to your right. See that one tree to the right?
No, hold on, man. I'm just boosting.
Yeah.
Sorry.
But if you can crawl back behind that bush, it'll do you favours. Okay, that one tree, he's having a peek left-hand side. He doesn't know you're there. Don't.
Yeah, no, my bad. Which one?
Okay, no, you're going the wrong way. Okay, northeast. See that one tree there? Yeah. Did you get him?
Yeah, he's down.
Nice, man. Nice work, man. Winner, chicken dinner!
Fuck yeah!
Snake, you are the man. Well done, mate. That was brilliant. That was brilliant. Well done, mate.
Well,
Number 1. I finished number 1.
Hey, we finished number 1.
Just looking at me like I'm fucking crazy.
I finished it.
Number 1. First person in the clan, baby.
Yep, not wrong.
Well done, mate. Nice work.